Welcome to this presentation on how to write literature review. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write this question in this video. Kindly subscribe us to and message us on. In this slide, I aim to explain what a literature review entails in the context of operations management, OM. A literature review critically evaluates existing academic work to identify gaps, establish context, and avoid duplication. In OM, it enables researchers to understand industry trends, operational frameworks, and prior solutions to complex problems. This stage is crucial for grounding your research in established theories and practices. It also enhances academic integrity by acknowledging other scholars' contributions. Source credibility, like peer-reviewed journals and academic publishers, is critical, as weak sources can undermine the reliability of your review. By clearly stating the purpose and selecting credible sources, the literature review acts as a foundation for your future research efforts, helping structure and justify your own analysis. Always aim to reflect critical thinking, not just summarization, to strengthen your academic argumentation and support your strategic direction in OM studies. This slide addresses how to locate high-quality sources for an OM literature review. Start with well-regarded academic databases such as JSTOR, ScienceDirect, and Google Scholar, which index a wide range of peer-reviewed journals. When researching OM, journals like the Journal of Operations Management, JOAM, International Journal of Operations and Production Management, IJOPM, and Production and Operations Management, POM, are essential. Supplement academic sources with real-world insights by referencing recent case studies and credible industry reports. However, ensure these are from reputable publishers or organizations. Evaluating each source for relevance to your research topic, its publication date, and whether it is peer-reviewed will help you curate a reliable and impactful literature review. Choosing high-quality sources not only strengthens your argument, but also demonstrates rigorous academic practice, something that is highly valued in postgraduate OM research. This slide emphasizes how to structure your OM literature review thematically. A thematic approach enhances clarity and coherence, helping readers follow your argument more easily. Instead of summarizing studies one by author or date, group them under subheadings that represent common themes or concepts, such as lean manufacturing, supply chain efficiency, or sustainability in OM. This approach allows you to compare findings and methods across different studies, making it easier to identify patterns or conflicting conclusions. For instance, if multiple studies show benefits of automation in OM but differ on implementation success, you can explore these contrasts thematically. Begin with broad themes to set the context, and gradually narrow down to more specific issues that align with your research focus. This structure aids in logical flow, critical engagement, and sets the stage for your own research hypothesis or problem statement. In this slide, we focus on the skills of critique and synthesis. While summarizing simply reports what previous studies found, critiquing involves evaluating the strengths and weaknesses of those studies. Look at their methodologies, data reliability, and the relevance of their conclusions to OM practice. Are there any biases or limitations in the research? Synthesis then takes this a step further by comparing multiple sources and integrating their insights. For example, two studies may address similar OM problems, but use different frameworks. What can you learn by comparing these approaches? Identifying where findings align or diverge helps you formulate a nuanced view. Finally, use these evaluations to spot gaps in the literature. These could be under-researched areas or contradictions that merit further investigation. This not only strengthens your own research rationale, but also positions your work as a valuable contribution to OM knowledge. To wrap up, this slide shares practical strategies to make your OM literature review more effective. First, start early. Reviewing literature is an ongoing process that shapes your research design. Keep a literature matrix or spreadsheet where you record authors, key findings, methods, and relevance to your topic. This helps in both writing and citation. Tools like Zotero or EndNote are invaluable for managing references and auto-generating bibliographies in your desired format. Remember, as your research focus sharpens, you may need to revise your review to reflect new priorities or insights. Finally, make sure every piece of literature you include ties directly to your research questions or objectives. This alignment ensures your review is not just comprehensive, but also purposeful, showing the reader how past research informs your own study. These practices lead to a well-rounded, academically rigorous OM literature review.